YouTube, Solojay back with another video, and today, as y'all can't see by the title and the thumbnail today, I do got a little solo light for y'all today. I do have a new creation for y'all. As y'all know before, one time before I did show y'all how to create jorts. That was a wild video ago, but I'll pop it up on the screen. But as y'all know today, I do want to do something different for y'all. This is something new. I've never seen nobody. I already did my research on it. Nobody has ever made Boy Scout jorts before. So today, what you're gonna need on the list is some scissors. You're gonna need a pair of pants that you obviously gonna cut. So a pair of pants you really don't much care about. So I'm gonna take these pants that I got right here and I'm gonna cut them for y'all. I didn't want to go black. If you want to go black, you can go ahead and go black. But for the people that want to know where you want to get your Boy Scout stuff from, the reason I have these is because I used to be in Boy Scouts. You can go on Etsy and stuff. They got all different type of patches. So I got my wool right here. As y'all can see, it has all the rest of the patches that I cut off as well. I just want to basically try something new. I haven't seen anybody. If there's somebody that do have them out, shit, I ain't seen it on YouTube yet. I already searched it up how to make Boy Scout shorts and nobody's ever made it. So I'm gonna be the first person to do it. So if they blow up, if it trend, shit, finna just start us a little trend. But you wanna get y'all some patches as well too. That's next on the list. Also, I did say the scissors, patches, and some shorts. And you basically it. Also, wanna have a glue gun. If y'all have a glue gun, if y'all don't know where to go get that at, y'all can go to Walmart. To grab a glue gun, some scissors, the patches as well. And yeah, you gonna have your jorts and whatnot. So what you basically want to do, make sure where you have your jeans, right? Because I have my jeans right here. Now with these jeans, as y'all can see, it does have like a little, like, they're like cargo jeans. I don't wear them anymore. So I'm finna just take the test and I'm finna just cut them. Pick a place where you want to obviously, you know, pick a place where you obviously want to know cut them at. I can't go outside to show y'all because it is raining and stuff outside, but go ahead and find y'all a place where y'all want to cut at. I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all when I finish cutting the pants. Also, before y'all even get to cutting, cut at a place, cut smaller, and then work your way up. Don't cut too small because y'all ain't gonna be rocking booty shorts if y'all you feel me? So cut small and then work your way up. Don't cut at a high place just because you eyeballing it. Like, cut small and then work your way up. Then you can, you feel me, get what you want to wear. Because a lot of us is tall, a lot of us is short. So it works in a lot of people's favor if you cut low and then work your way up, because that makes the shorts low-key look better. A lot of people now is going for the baggy look and whatnot. Everybody don't stop the skinnies and whatnot. So I mean, it's really up to you. And plus, it's summertime. Plus, y'all can have this little creation in your rotation. So when y'all popping out to, like, you know, a little streetwear events and whatnot, I make sure I go rock out. For y'all that don't know as well, it's really optional. But I just went and finished the shorts and stuff like that. As y'all can see, the bottom look tacky. But this is optional for anybody that do. Like me personally, I like distressing my pants after I cut them because it looks way much more better. So you want to grab I'll pop it up on the screen and whatnot, but you want to grab that specific tool because it helps you distress. I mean, you could use a knife. For anybody that want to use a knife, you could use a knife. Just find you a very, very sharp object that isn't breakable, and you can distress your stuff that way. I prefer a knife. Don't go in the kitchen and just go grab you a random knife. Like, that's crazy. But make sure y'all just go grab y'all either a knife, or even if you got super sharp scissors, like, y'all can take the edge of the scissors and just distress the stitching at the bottom. So I want to make sure I go ahead and grab that tool. I will link it down in the description down below, so y'all can go ahead and cop that as well too. Not a lot of patches that I did research before doing this video have the same patches that I have, obviously. So boom, we got this Derby patch as well from Fulton County. As y'all do know, that's in Georgia. We do have, as y'all can see, Atlanta area council, like everything right here too. So they got that. They got the fire station patch as well too. So after y'all cut y'all patches, which majority y'all, if y'all do decide that y'all want to go ahead and order some off Etsy and whatnot, they're already gonna come, like, you know, patched off already. So all you will have to do is really just grab your glue gun. So what I'm finna go do is go heat up my glue gun. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get all these patches off. And yeah, only going 5 patches. I ain't gonna do too much because that's OC. But I'm finna go 5 patches, place them down on where I want them, place them down where you want them. You can go both sides. You can go left, right. You can do only on the right side. You can do only on the left side. You can do some on the back. I even got one on the back as well too. So that's basically 6, right? So boom. You can mix and match. In the plus, it's glue. So if you want to rip it off, you can rip it off. You can mix and match whatever you want to do. Y'all can do it. So the glue gun is ready. I'm about to go ahead and put them, but I'm not gonna stitch them in this video. I'm not gonna show the stitching process. Y'all know how to stitch and everything else like that. You just rip the little white pieces that's coming out of the end of the pants. So I'm not gonna show y'all how to do that. But at the end, towards the end of the video, I will give like a little showcase. And it is raining outside, so I might either do it tomorrow or I might either do it later today so I can show y'all. But that's pretty much it. I'm about to show y'all what the after look like. And yeah, just bear with me. The glue gun is ready. Y'all can pick y'all glue gun up at Walmart, or y'all can order it with y'all patches as well too. It makes more sense even if y'all ordering it. But if y'all want to make the process a little bit more quicker, y'all can go ahead and go get it at Walmart and whatnot. Cause Walmart got them for cheap. I don't know how much I bought it, cause that was like a while back. But that's besides the point. Let me go ahead and get these stitches on here for y'all, so that y'all can go ahead and enjoy these shorts. So let's do it. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, boom, this is the final finished product. As y'all can see, after y'all get y'all hot glue and whatnot. It's gonna work for your better in y'all favor because it is hot glue. It's gonna dry faster and whatnot. So that's basically it. And plus, I got one on the back as well too, so that hard. So yeah, y'all got y'all little Boy Scout shorts. So I went all left side and then I put one on the right side, so it balanced out perfectly. So that's basically the end of everything. Just know that there's probably gonna be distressed, so it's gonna look a lot much more better. And just make sure your shorts fit. Make sure your shorts fit. Don't go too high, because if you go too high, you might just have to start over with a new pair of pants. And you don't want to keep cutting up your pants because you can't eyeball it correctly. So like I said before, start low and then work your way up. But I cut it perfect size on first try. So what I'm gonna do now after the video is just distress it and whatnot, and then also obviously like showcase it for y'all. So that's basically it. My Boy Scout shorts. Like I said before, I've already researched it on YouTube how to make them. Nobody has ever dropped a video on it ever. So shit, we just gonna see how they do. But if y'all enjoyed that video, y'all make sure to follow me right here. I'm Solojay. Like the video, subscribe, comment down below if you got your own little pair of Boy Scout shorts, whatever you want to call them, whatever you want to call them, give it their own little trendy name. Also for you, and go flick them in them, alright? Go flick them in it, cause they hard. So like the video, subscribe, watch all the ads before I beat y'all. It is Solojay. Have a good day, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.